Here's a question for you. Is gardening really hard? Or is gardening difficult to learn? Like many people, I think, even the experienced gardeners tend to overcomplicate gardening. Right? They are so focused on the techniques, then they are so focused on getting the latest tools, getting the latest technology, and all of them actually overlook what gardening is really about. Right? And with today's social media, today's online chat groups, online forums, make things even worse. Right? More people can now share with more people, complex ideas, complex techniques get shared with more people. Right? And gardening used to be a very simple and enjoyable hobby, but it has become a very confusing and complex chore. Right? To me, I think to enjoy gardening, there is only 3 simple gardening rules that I follow very closely. Right? So rule number 1, all garden plants are always in stress. Right? Any plants that are grown outside their natural habitat, right, outside their own home, right, always experience stress. Right? The reason is very simple, because they don't get everything they need in order to grow well. The environment is different. Right? It's just like you go on traveling, you feel homesick, that's because of stress. Right? And rule number 2, you will never know how much stress a plant can take until it dies. Why? Because plants don't talk like us. They don't complain, they don't feel sad when they are in stress. What they actually do is that they adapt itself to the stress level. So they change the way they grow, they redistribute the nutrients they have, right, all the scarce resources they have, so that it keeps on surviving. Right? And they keep doing this until they are unable to do so. And that's when they die. Right? Without you knowing, without them telling you that they are going to die. This is why you see garden plants with deformed leaves. Because of lack of nutrients, or very long stretched stems, right? Because they want to reach further for more sunlight. So as gardeners, you will always want to recreate their natural habitat. Right? The closer you are, the less stress will be on your plants. Right? So understanding and knowing how to control growing conditions, manage growing environments is very important. Right? You will want to make sure that they get what they need so that they can grow to their full potential. Right? As you can see, that's what gardening really is. It's very simple. Right? Reduce the stress and your plants will grow well. Right? It's really not about the technique, it's really not about the tools or the different kind of technology you use that makes the difference. Right? And that's rule number 3. Focus on gaining knowledge and not focus on techniques. Right? Understand what your plants need. Understand what you can give for your plant. Right? If you can do that, no matter which technique or which technology you use or which tool you use, you are going to be successful. Right? Gardening is all about managing stress and managing the plant's environment. Right? Simple and easy. So if you want to learn more, make sure you watch my other video about growing conditions and managing growing environments. I have a few videos on this topic itself. Right, so click on the subscribe button below if you have not done so. And now, go gain some knowledge and stop chasing the best techniques because it's not the key to success. So until next time, I will see you in my next video.